Hello, all of you. How are you? Let's start. Okay. Okay, let's start with page 131 in our math book. Number one, focus with me, please. Number one, Habiba and Hatem both had 1 liter of juice. Habiba said her family drank 2/4 or 2/4 of the liter. So we have 2 liters, one for Habiba's family and one for Hatem's family. Habiba's family drank 2/4. Hatem said his family drank the same amount. If Hatem measured his amount in eighths, so we will convert 2/4 into eighths. So then the denominator will be 8. 8 equal parts. Habiba's family drank 2/4, so I will divide it into 4 equal parts and color 2. They are 2/4. Now let's find Hatem's family amount. Here, the 4 became 8. 4 became 8. So it increased. It increased. We multiplied by 2. We multiplied by 2. So I multiplied by 2 in denominators, so I will multiply by 2 in numerators. What we did down, we must do up. Okay, so 2 times 2 and 4 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So Hatem's family drank 4/8. Number 2, Jana and Minna each made a large pizza. Jana's pizza was cut into sixths, and Minna pizza was cut into 12th. Okay, so I have 2/6 that Jana ate, and Minna wants to eat the same amount. So I have here 2/6. I want to convert it into 12th. 12th. So the denominator will be 12. 12 equal parts. 6 here became 12. It increased. So I multiplied by 2. Also numerator, I will multiply by 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. And 6 times 2 equals 12. She will eat 4/12 from the pizza. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Mu'tazza and Kamal were eating same-sized cake. Mu'tazza cake was cut into thirds. Kamal cake was cut into sixths. So Mu'tazza ate 2/3. Mu'tazza ate 2/3. 2 slices out of 3. Okay. And Kamal wants to eat the same amount of Mu'tazza. Okay. So here 2/3, I wanted to make the denominator into sixth. Okay. So here 3, excellent ya Hamza. Great. 3 became 6. It increased, so I multiplied. Multiplied by what? 3 times 2. And here 2, I will multiply 2 by 2 also. So it will be 4/6. So he have to eat 4/6 of his cake. Okay. Number 4, Mom gave Walid and Nagla candy bars that were in the same size, Walid ate 2/3 of his candy bar. Nagla ate 4/6. Who ate more? I have 2/3 and 4/6. Excellent, ya Hamza. 2 over 3 and 4 over 6. Who ate more? I can make it by cross multiplication, or I can compare them. Look here, the 2 became 4. Excellent, my dear. 2 became 4. Excellent, Ya Ali. 2 became 4, so I multiplied by 2. And here, 3 became 6, so also I multiplied by 2. Here, they are equal. Okay, look here to our model. 2 over 3 and 4 over 6, they are equal because we multiplied by 2 up and down. Okay, I love you, my dear, thank you. Okay, now let's move to the next lesson. Here we want to revise together the area and perimeter for square and rectangle. Here, let's remember together, if I have a rectangle here, the area will be length times width. Length, which is the long side, times width, which is the short side. Perimeter will be length plus width times 2. Length plus width times 2. Okay, so I will add length and width and then multiply the sum with 2 or by 2. Here in square, I don't have length or width. All sides are equal. So the area will be side times side. Here the area in rectangle was length times width. But here I don't have length and width. So I will multiply side times side. Here the perimeter will be side times 4. Side times 4. We need to memorize them very well. Okay? Memorize them well. Eyes here and focus with me. We will start to solve the first one. I have here a rectangle. Its length is 8 meters and width is 5 meters. The area will be length times width. So I will multiply 8 times 4, which equals 40 square meter. Don't forget something. It's very important. In area, we don't write meter only. We write square meter. Square meter. Okay? Here, perimeter. In the perimeter, we said the perimeter of rectangle, we have here length plus width times 2. So I will add 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, then I will multiply by 2. Okay, 5 plus 8 equals 13. 13 times 2 equals 26. You can do it by any way. Okay, you can add 13 plus 13, or you can multiply 13 times 2. Okay, here we will solve this, the last one here. Okay, here I have a square and I have area and perimeter. I know that the area of square equals side times side, and perimeter equals side times 4. If I said side times 4 equals 20, I don't know this side. Side times 4 equals 20. So the side equals what? What times 4 will give me 20? Great, Ya Ali. Great, Ya Hamza. Excellent, Loreen. Great, dears. Thank you. Great. So 5 times 4 equals 20. The side will be equals to 5. Okay, the next one. Here I have a rectangle. And the area equals 14 square meter, 14 square meter. I know that the area of rectangle equals length times width. I have length here, which is 7. Length times width, so 7 times what will give me 14? Great. Excellent, Ali. Excellent, Judy. Excellent, Loreen. Okay. Great, yeah, Muhammad. Great, Joyria. So 7 times 2 equals 40. The width here will be 2. Okay, 2. Now let's move to the next one. Lesson 98. Lesson 98. Omar has 18 pieces of candy. He wants to give the same amount to each of his 6 friends. How many pieces would each friend get? We have here 18. The total pieces are 18. Okay, the total are 18. I want to divide equally or give the same amount to 6. So, which operation I will do here? Division. Division. Can I write 6 divided by 18? Can I write 6 divided by 18? No. Great, ya time. Great. Yes. I must put the big number first. So 18 divided by 6 equals what? Yeah, great, ya Malik. Great. Okay, so 6 times what will give me 18? Or 18 divided by 6 will give me what? 3. Excellent. So 3 candies for each one. If I divided it into 6 equal parts, each part will take 3 or will have 3. Here in number 1, okay, Yabasant, great. Number 1, I have 20 figs to divide evenly between 4 plates. 4 plates. So the total 20 figs. I have 4 plates here. It means 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So how many figs should I put on each plate? Great, ya Yusuf. Okay, so I will take the total, which is the biggest number, 20, and divided it by 4. No, 20 divided by 4 equals what? 5. Yes, equals 5, not 4. Great, ya Alia. Excellent. Okay, so in each part here, I will put 5. Okay, let's move to the next one. There are 28 crimes in the classroom that need to be placed in 4 cups. So the total crimes are 28. I want to place them equally in 4 cups. Okay, so which operation? Excellent, your time. Great, I know. Okay, so I will circle the numbers and put the big number first here in division operation or in division equation. So 28 divided by 4. Great, Yusuf, Taim, Alia, Ali Meher, Hamza. Okay, equals 7 because 7 times 4 equals 28. So if I have 28 here, I will divide them in 4 cups and put in each cup 7 crimes. The next one, will be homework for you. Okay, Dia has 36 to split them evenly among 6 friends. So I will divide 36 by 6. Here you should write a story problem. You have the total 42 and we divided it into how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We divided it into 7 equal parts and each part will get 6. You should write story problem here. Now let's move to lesson 99. In lesson 99 we have here a story problem or a division equation. Okay, Rida had 20 pieces of fruit. He divided them equally among 4 bags. How many pieces of fruit went into each bag or in each bag? Here we have 4 pieces of fruit. The student's response or the student's answer, he wrote 4 divided by 20 equals 5. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes, ya Hamza, great. Great, ya Ali. Is it correct? Can I write 4 divided by 20? Can I put 4 first? Great, ya Adam. Excellent. Great, ya Juwairiya, Judy, Saja. Excellent, dears. Okay, so he did something correct and he did something wrong. If we look at the correct, the correct part that, excellent ya Adam, excellent ya Muhammad, the correct part that he know that he should divide them equally. He made a division operation, which is correct. Yes, it's correct, we will divide, but he made something wrong. He put the small number first. It's wrong. It's wrong to say 4 divided by 20. It's wrong. Yes, great, Yatain. Great. We can't put it. We can't put 4 first. In division and subtraction, we must put the big number first. We must put the big number first. So if we wanted to solve it correctly, we will write 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Why, Noreen? Why what? Why we put 20 first? Can we divide 4 into 20 friends? Can we divide 4 apples into 20 friends? No. No, we must put the big number first. Okay? Okay, great, ya Ali. Excellent. Okay. Here, I have 18 dates in the next page, 137. I have 18 dates. Each person will get 2 dates. So I will split or I will divide 18 dates between 2 persons. And the total here will be, the total here will be 18. Which number should I put first? Can I write 2 divided by 18? 2 divided by 18, is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah, great, ya Alia. Yes, excellent, yes, Saja. I must put the big number first. So 18 divided by 2. Excellent, ya Tayin. Great, Yasin Megid. Excellent. Great, Ziad. So I must put the big number first. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Great, excellent. So I will divide it into 2 equal parts and each part will take 9. So I have 9 people will eat 2 dates. Here, okay, focus with me, please. Here in number 1, the class has 28 students. You can fit 4 students on a swing set. How many swing sets are needed for the whole class to swing? I have the total 28. I want to distribute them into fours, or divide them into fours. So, 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 equals 6. Great يا زياد. Great يا طيب Noreen. Excellent. Equals 7. So I will divide 28 into 4 equal parts and put 7 in each part. Okay, the next page. Dia placed 40 marbles in 2 rows of 5. So the total are 40 marbles. And he wants to put them in 5 rows. How many rows did he make? It means I will divide 40 into 5. So I must put 40 first. The big number must be the first. So 40 divided by 8 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. If we divided the 40 or our model here into 5 equal parts, each part will take 8 marbles. Here you can do it by yourself. It's very easy. Omneya studied 14 hours. If she studied 2 hours each day, so we will divide 14 by 2. Okay. Here the challenge part. The challenge part. Saif is sorting crayons into groups of 9. How many groups will he make if he has 81 crayons? 81 crayons. So the total here, 81. He wants to sort them into groups of 9. What, ya Loreen? What? What you can't understand? Here we just divided 40 by 5 equals 8. We don't have anything. This is a homework for you, okay? Okay, here we have the total 81 and I want to divide it into into groups of 9. So 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. We can draw it. We will draw a model and distribute it or divide it into 9 equal parts, and each part we will put inside it 9. Okay. Here okay. Describe how you use division in your everyday life. Okay, I'll give you example here to use division. If we have 8 apples, and I want to distribute them between 2 friends. So each friend will take half. This half equals to what? To find the half, we will divide 8. Excellent, my dears. Excellent. I will divide 8 by 2 to know the half. The half here equals 4 apples. Okay? Okay, يا أروى. Okay, great. Excellent, my dear. Here, let's move to the next page. Gaber has 24 cookies to give away. How many different ways can he share his cookies equally with friends? Look at me and focus here. Here we have 24 cookies and we want to divide them by many different ways. How can I divide 24? 24 divided by what? Yeah, 24 divided by what? The first, 24 divided by 1. I can divide 24 by 1. 24 divided by 1 will give me 24. Also, 24, divided by 24 will give me 1. Here, 24 will give me 1. Also, here, 24 can be divided by 3. 24 can be divided by 3 equals 8. And divided by 8 will give me 3. 24 divided by 4 will give me 6. And if we divided it by 6, will give me 4. Okay? If I divided it by 2, will give me 12. And if I divide it by 12, will give me 2. So here we have many multiplication equation can give me the product 24. 1 times 24 equals 24. 3 times 8 will give me 24. 4 times 6 will give me 24. 2 times 12 will give me 24. Okay, here we will revise fact family. We studied it many times before. Here we have the big number in the top. The big number in the top. Okay, who can help me to answer this? Who can help me to answer this? If you know, raise your hands. Can you answer, Salma? Can you answer? Salma, can you answer?
Yes.
Okay, I have here 35, my dear, and here 7. 7 times what will give me 35?
5.
Yes, excellent, yes, Salma, great, my dear. Thank you. 7 times 5 will give me 35. Okay, so 7 times 5 will give me 35. And 5 times 7 will give me 35. Who can tell me which property this? 7 times 5 and 5 times 7. This property is called what? This property is called what? Okay, Yasin Al-Arabi, can you answer?
Commutative property.
Great, my dear. Excellent, ya Yasin. Great. Commutative property. Commutative property. Can I find here the division equation? In division equation, which number I should put first here? Arwa, can you answer? Which number should I put here in division? Arwa? Okay. Arwa, which number should I put here? Division, in division. Which number should I put first? Do you know, my dear? Okay, we can choose another one. We can choose another one. Yassine Megid, can you tell me the division equation?
Yes.
Huh?
35 divided 7 equal 5. 35 divided 5 equals 7.
Great, excellent, my dear, excellent. Great, Yassine. So we can say that 35 divided by 5 equals 7, or 35 divided by 7 equals 5. The same here, the same here. 54, and here I have 6. So the missing number should be what? 54, huh? Judy, can you answer? Judy, can you answer, Judy? 6 times what will give me 54? 6 times what? 6 times what will give me 54? Raise your voice, my dear. I can't hear you. 6 times what?
9.
9. Great. Excellent. 6 times 9 will give me 54. So 9 times 6 equals 54, and the commutative property for it, 6 times 9, 54, and the division will be 54 divided by 9 and equals 6, and 54 divided by 6 equals 9. Okay, the last one. The last one. Okay, Ruqayya, can you answer? Ruqayya?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the first multiplication equation here?
2 times 12 equal 24.
2 times 12 equals 24. And the commutative for it? Huh? Can you tell me the commutative for it?
12 times 2 equal 24.
Great, excellent, my dear, excellent. Yes, so 2 times 12 equals 24, and 12 times 2 equals 24. Okay. Here, the division equation, Basant, can you answer?
Yes.
Okay, tell me the division equation, ya Basant, fast.
There. Here.
The first
24.
number? Yes.
24 divided 12.
Divided by 12 equals
2.
2. Excellent, my dear. 24 divided by 12 equals 2, and 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Great, ya Basant. Excellent, my dear. You can complete this by yourself. It's very, very, very easy. And the next page also will be homework for you. Thank you for listening. Inshallah, see you the next session. Goodbye.